How to hide online status on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can hide online status on Telegram. So let's just go ahead with the process and find out how to. So if you want to hide your online status on Telegram, these are the methods you can follow up and you should be able to hide your online status. So first thing is, of course, leading over to Telegram, you can just go ahead and log in into your account using the Telegram app. And once you are on the app, at the top left corner, you should be finding three horizontal lines. You can just tap on it to open up the menu. Once you open it up, from this section, head over to settings. And once you are here, go to privacy and security. When you head over to privacy and security, when you scroll a bit, you should be finding an option called last seen and online. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. And after that, here, if you want nobody to know your online status, all you need to do is go ahead and click on nobody. Along with that, you can add exceptions if you want for 1 or 2 persons by tapping on this always share with option. And that is it. So when you go ahead and turn it on, your online status will be hidden on Telegram. So that is how you hide online status on Telegram very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.